Hello learners, today our chapter is the United Nations. In this chapter we'll learn about formation of the UN, objective of the UN, organs of the UN, and agencies and achievement of the UN. So let's get started. The United Nations UN is an organization that helps maintain peace in the world. The name United Nations was first used by Franklin D Roosevelt, the then President of United States of America, USA. Formation of the UN. The First World War and the Second World War caused a lot of destruction. Millions of men, women and children lost their lives, and many more people were left homeless. The economy of many countries were ruined since a huge amount of money was spent in these wars. All this caused suffering to millions of people all over the world. Many countries realized that war were not a solution to any problem. It should be avoided at any cost. These countries felt the organization should be formed to stop such war in the future. The League of Nations was formed after the First World War, but it could not prevent another worldwide conflict. After the Second World War, another organization was formed. This was the United Nations Organization, UNO. The UN Charter was signed by 50 member countries on 24 October 1945 in San Francisco, USA. This day is observed as the United Nations Day every year. Today, nearly 200 countries are part of the organization. Objective of the UN. The main objective of the UN are to promote peace in the world, friendly relation among nations, cooperation in solving economic, social and humanitarian problems on international level, respect for human rights and freedom. The UN neither makes law nor imposes taxes. It is a place where issues are discussed and solutions worked out. Any country that is committed to peace and accepts the goal of the UN Charter can become its member. The member countries of the UN try to solve international problems and work together to improve the condition of the poor, homeless, and other weaker sections of society. They help people to fight disease and disability. Goodwill ambassadors are appointed by the UN to spread awareness of its aim. Organ of the UN. The work of the UN is carried out by the 6 main organs, after which the 4 are the main. General Assembly. The General Assembly is the main body of the UN. It is like the parliament of any country. Each member country has 1 vote in the General Assembly. It meets once a year in November. Its headquarters are in New York. Security Council. The Security Council is responsible for international peace and security. It has 15 members, 5 of which are permanent. China, France, Russia, UK and USA are the permanent members. The rest are non-permanent members elected for a period of 2 years. Economic and Social Council. The UN has created a network of agencies to help the poor, the sick and illiterate. These agencies work under the Economic and Social Council. They look after issues such as human rights, equality of women, and regulation of trade. International Court of Justice, ICJ. ICJ is the legal court of the UN. It considers the dispute between countries and advises member countries on the matters of international law. The court has 15 judges. Its headquarters is at Hague in the Netherlands. Agencies of the UN. There are many agencies of the UN which work on common world problems. Some of the agencies are as follows: United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. It contributes to peace and security by encouraging international cooperation in education, science and culture. It protects human rights. United Nations Children Fund, UNICEF. It works for children's rights, their development, protection and survival. World Health Organization, WHO. It looks after public health on an international level. Its main task is to promote the general health of the people of the world. Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. It is an agency that is working towards removing hunger from the world. Its Latin motto means "Let there be bread." International Labour Organization, ILO. This organization aims to promote opportunities to men and women in obtaining work. Achievements of the UN. The UN has been very successful in maintaining peace in the world. It has been able to solve many international disputes. It has prevented conflict from growing into major wars. It is also involved in peacekeeping operations. It makes effort to prevent misuse of destructive weapons. Today, the world is a better place to live in, largely due to the UN. Thank you.